they've been going since the early 90s. They've been in the UK for over 30 years now. Well-established brand. Obviously, it's our bread and butter machine. We sell multiple machines a year, and still well supported. Even machines 20 plus years old, we can still look after now.
Today we're here at Eurospark and we're going to talk about this entry-level CNC die sink machine. So Ryan, what are we stood in front of?
So this is our entry-level CNC machine. This is the EP series. It's got multiple cavity function, you can do orbits, and you can do side spark and vector spark as well.
So why would I want one of these? And also, what's the advantage of this machine over a ZNC machine?
So if you've already got a ZNC machine, obviously you're well used to sparking. This just takes it sort of to the next level. Improved efficiency, you can put multiple jobs on and do multi-cavity stuff, so you'd spark 10 parts and leave it to run overnight. That can be improved as well with the tooling system for like quick change. If you've got two different ops to do, you can do one lot, change your electrode in less than a minute and then run the same again. It can also do orbital sparking as well, so that helps if you've got sort of fine tolerances on finish size. You can go deliberately undersize and then tweak it out using the orbits. You can also do threads and stuff as well using the orbit function with special electrodes. And then also the side sparking and vector sparking. If you've got sort of complex shapes and applications, it can help you get into areas where you would maybe struggle with a standard ZNC.
Now, you said about you can use this machine to take that next step of running overnight. Mm-hmm. So what sort of safety features has this machine got that allows people to have the confidence that when they come back in the morning, they're not just coming into a big mess?
Yeah, so the same with all of our machines. It's got a fire extinguisher, it's got thermal control, so if the oil's getting too hot, then it'll trip off. It's got a flame sensor as well, so if there is anything that happens, then it'll trip the machine off to obviously protect the workshop.
Now, obviously, this is a Joemars machine, which we're seeing more and more of in the UK. What can you tell me about the Joemars brand and how long have they been going?
Yeah. So they've been going since the early 90s. They've been in the UK for over 30 years now. Well-established brand. Obviously, it's our bread and butter machine. We sell multiple machines a year, and still well supported. Even machines 20 plus years old, we can still look after now.
And obviously, talking about that support, where does Eurospark fit into this?
Well, it's the same service you get from any machine with us. We've got our own in-house service engineers, and we often give out, or always I should say, give out our mobile numbers, so you've got a direct line to either me or one of the engineers, and between us all we've probably got over 50 years of industry experience for applications and technical support as well.
And just quickly on that technical support, we're talking about an entry-level CNC machine which people might not have experience in. So what's this like to program? And how does your service and expertise come in to helping people take that next step?
Yeah, so with the ZNC machine, it's fairly straightforward. You're just putting a finished depth. With this, there's some more complex applications for it, but it's all conversational, so the machine will ask you the information it requires. If you struggle, again, like I said, you've got a direct line to me or one of the engineers. We've got a great relationship with the OEM for anything that's a bit spurious, and between us, with all the experience, there's probably not a job that we can't help you solve.